Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. My name is Daniela Souza Igorov. I'm a parent of a New York City public school student. I'm the vice president of CC2 and the project director of Parent Power New York. I'm here to share my concerns about the current state of education funding in New York. We urgently need to use updated statistics in the foundation aid formula. However, the main problem in New York is that we are the #1 state in education funding, yet we can only achieve mediocre results for our students. A new report by the Empire Center shows that New York spends 36% more per student than neighboring Massachusetts. We spend more than $29,000 per student versus $21,000 in the school year of 21-22. Yet, the Bay State has recently posted the highest combined score in the National Assessment of Education Progress, while New York coming below the national average. This is a situation that cannot continue. To ensure that foundation aid will actually benefit all New York students, we should tie it to reforms such as develop high-quality, content-rich standards and curriculum frameworks, align teacher preparation and professional development programs with state standards, and also establish firm and fair procedures for state intervention in underperforming schools and districts. Furthermore, the most significant reform would be to allow each New York family to choose the best education for their kids and have the funding follow the student. There are now 32 states across the country that offer more school choice than New York, including 18 that offer education savings account. New York must trust families to make the best decisions for their kids and offer them options beyond their geographically assigned school district. Thank you.
Thank you.